We've all seen the movies. Robots taking over the world, computers becoming smarter than humans. It's easy to think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as some futuristic fantasy. But guess what? AI is already here, and it's not as scary or complicated as you might think. In fact, it's making our lives easier and more interesting every day. From helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, to recommending your next favorite song, AI is changing the game, and it's time we all got in on the action. Think of it this way. Remember when smartphones seemed complicated? Now look at us, ordering takeout and video chatting with grandma like it's nothing. AI is kinda like that. It might seem intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. And trust me, you don't need to be a computer whiz to use it. This isn't about robots taking over the world, it's about giving us regular people superpowers. Whether you're a student, a farmer, a teacher, or a business owner, AI has something for you. So buckle up, because we're about to demystify AI and show you how it can make your life easier, more productive, and maybe even a little more fun. Okay, so what exactly AI? Imagine you're teaching a kid to ride a bike. At first you hold the handlebars, showing them how to balance and steer. Eventually they start to get the hang of it, figuring out the patterns and making adjustments on their own. That's kind of how AI works. We feed computers tons of information, and they use that data to learn patterns and make decisions. It's like teaching a computer to think, but instead of brains, they use algorithms, which are basically like sets of instructions. Take ChatGPT, for example. It's like a super smart chatbot that can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a way that feels almost human. How does it do that? Well, it was trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to learn the patterns of language and communication. Or think about Canva AI, a tool that helps you create stunning designs even if you're artistically challenged, like yours truly. It uses AI to understand your preferences and suggest images, fonts, and layouts that match your vision. Pretty cool, right? Now, before you run off and start asking AI to write your next love letter or predict your future, let's keep it real. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Think of it like a GPS system. It can give you the best route to your destination, but it can also lead you astray if the map data is outdated or if there's unexpected traffic. Similarly, AI can sometimes make mistakes or provide biased information, especially if it was trained on biased data. That's why it's crucial to use your own judgment and fact-check anything you get from AI, especially if it's important. Don't believe everything you read, or everything a computer tells you. Always cross-reference information and consult multiple sources to ensure accuracy. But hey, let's not get bogged down by the negatives. The important thing is to be aware of AI's limitations while also embracing its incredible potential. Because when used responsibly, AI can be a force for good, helping us solve complex problems and improve lives around the world. Section 4: AI in Africa, from farms to phones. Speaking of changing the game, let's talk about how AI is making a real difference right here in Africa. From agriculture to healthcare to education, AI is empowering communities and driving innovation across the continent. In Rwanda, farmers are using AI-powered drones to monitor their crops, detect diseases early on, and optimize irrigation. This means bigger harvests, higher incomes, and more food on the table. Over in Kenya, AI is helping doctors diagnose eye diseases more accurately, leading to earlier treatment and preventing blindness. And in Nigeria, AI-powered chatbots are providing financial advice and access to microloans, empowering entrepreneurs to start and grow their businesses. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming lives in Africa. It's about finding local solutions to local challenges. And it's about showing the world that Africa is not just catching up, but leading the way in AI innovation. Section 5: AI for you and me. Dive right in. So, you're probably thinking, okay Trevor, this AI stuff sounds pretty cool, but how do I actually it? Well my friend, that's the best part. Getting started with AI is easier than you think. Remember those user-friendly apps and websites you use every day? Many of them are already powered by AI, even if you don't realize it. That music streaming service you love, it uses AI to recommend songs you might enjoy. And that online shopping site, it uses AI to personalize your shopping experience and show you products you're more likely to buy. But the real fun begins when you start exploring dedicated AI tools. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. There are tons of free and easy-to-use AI tools available online. You can start by trying out ChatGPT to have a conversation with an AI, generate creative content, or get help with your writing. Or you can play around with Canva AI to design eye-catching graphics for your social media or presentations. The best way to learn is by doing. So go ahead, dive in and explore. You might be surprised by what you can create and achieve with the power of AI at your fingertips. Section 6. The future is now. Are you ready to AI? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. But this isn't a sci-fi movie where robots take over. This is about us, humans and AI, working together to create a brighter future. It's about using this incredible technology to solve problems, unlock our potential, and make the world a better place. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? You don't need to be a computer programmer or a tech CEO to be a part of it. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. Start exploring, start experimenting, and start imagining the possibilities. The future is waiting, and it's full of AI-powered potential. Let's go make it happen.